when I was telling people about it and saying, either a business owner or a potential attendee, like, oh, we have the exhibit hall, and you'll see an actual booth and you'll be able to talk to people, and people were amazed because they had never experienced that before. Well, everyone loved everything. So the lobby, the main stage, the exhibit hall, the video playing in the background, showing our sponsors. It just gave the look and feel of actually being at a trade show and conference. Nextech allowed us to reach all of our members and the whole state, and to make sure that everyone could participate. Our goal last year was to include as many of our members as possible, but Nextech allowed us to hit that goal.